Hold on, let me take a picture of this. Hold on. Before you call it, let me just.
Century.
Let me just. Alright. Hold on. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Go. Alright, 2 Dover impulses. Here at 330 Old Country Road.
Very rare fire alarm system here, by the way, I'm pretty sure. Oh. Oh, whoa. Sorry, I'm just interested in this.
No, it's okay.
There was an even rarer pull out there. I think these are traction, if I remember. What the?
Alright, see? Oh, there's 3 underground levels.
Alright, I believe these are traction. Let's see. Oh, they're
hydraulic.
This is a really nice cab.
I like this. Who would have thought there would be 3 underground levels here?
Excelsior maintains this.
And it was inspected last month. Wow.
Fun, I want to peek out here.
What is this?
That's a BG12.
The other one comes down here too. Elevator lobby C.
Holy. Hold the door. Extremely rare fire alarm system here.
One lonely car down here. Buttons. Basic Dover fan too. Alright. 3. Yep, hydraulic.
Can't even hear the motor.
That's with most Dovers.
Oh, whoa.
Honestly.
It's E-pitched. It's an early Dover.
Makes sense.
I want to see if we can find the other one.
I'm not sure where it is. The indicator was out when we bought it.
It's not here, I'll say that much. I send that one off.
Okay.
What the? Holy. Holy. What? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm having a field day in here. Okay, they're all the same. I think that was a heat sensor.
I'm not sure if the other one's working.
It might be broken. Okay. Alright. This building has a very rare system. I have to get Ethan over here.
Alright.
Alright. Which one?
A, please.
Oh, wait. It's an older contact. It does have newer key switches, so I don't know. I'll have to hear that. I have to hear the motor on this one. Manual stop switch on this. There's one big panel. That's clicky. Maybe this button's just broken considering it's not even working.
There's the 8A phone. Oh, look at that. You can see it a little bit. This one you could do an impact cam. Look at this screen.
Emergency lights on.
Oh, that's weird. Alright, here's level C. Again. Alright.
Oh, wait.
No, 3.
That's a TK controller.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Because
This is-
TKs always do that.
That confuses me. So this is a Tesla Dover or Dover with a... No, it's still straight up Dover.
Yeah.
Alright, I want to hear the motor on this one, so let's see. Nah, we'll just get off here.
Yeah, there's no motor.
Couldn't even hear it. I think it was just very faint E. You're welcome. I'm gonna try to hear it from the outside. Okay, I want to see if I can hear it. Hold on.
That thing is like barely visible.
Yeah, it's E-pitched. They're dry powered. Yeah, there's more rare system detectors out there. Random I3. Must check exterior. I don't think it's in. No, it's not. All right, that's it.